Hey you, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie. 2020 has been a crazy year. It's brought on a lot of change, like people working from home. Me personally, as a full-time streamer for the past 4 years, that didn't change anything for me. But what it did change is my office. And since the last time you saw my office was 2019, let's get to it.
Welcome to Shangri-La. Just kidding. This is my workspace. First and foremost, what do I even do in my workspace? I'm a full-time streamer over on Twitch, and I'm also a full-time student specializing in After Effects, motion graphics. So as you can imagine, I spend a lot of time at this desk.
No, but like for real, I'm literally always in this chair or standing up, this corner of my room.
And that's why it's really important for me to have an inspiring and organized workspace so that I have a clear mind and I can just keep interested in what I'm doing and help that productivity. And that's also the main reason why I have a convertible standing desk. With the amount of time I spend at my desk, I don't want to feel like a sack of potatoes. So standing up really helps. All I gotta do is press this button and it'll go up. I press this button again and it'll go down. It's awesome. I got this from Amazon and I was actually pleasantly surprised at how cheap it was. Not cheap in materials, but cheap for price. I thought it was going to be about $500 and I ended up spending about $300 plus. And I set it up all by myself. It was so easy and so affordable. I love this thing. It's my favorite part about my whole setup because it's just so versatile. It looks clean. It's a good shape and size. I couldn't have had better luck. Now, I know you've noticed the sloppy cords, and who wouldn't? This is a complicated eyesore because since my desk rises and my computer stays on the ground, my cords need slack while it's down. I'm still figuring out what I want to do because I don't necessarily want to drill holes into my desk so that this outlet bar could be hanging from it. If you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. I would greatly appreciate any ideas. I'm going to keep it real with you guys. Coffee is a huge part of my motivation and productivity. So having a warmer like this is going to keep my coffee warm so I don't have to sip it all at once and have multiple cups of coffee. I can just sip it as I go throughout the day. Game changer. I have a lot of gadgets on my desk and most of them are used for live streaming every day. So I'm not going to spend too much time on those. I'm just going to swing through them really quickly. Here we go. Gaming stuff, because that is part of my office. All right, first up, we got the Elgato Stream Deck, which is basically a bindable set of keys that you can use to carry out functions throughout your live stream. It is extremely useful, but I do only use it for live streaming. This is my gaming headset by Razer. It's really high quality. I love it. Not only is it really cute, but it's also really high quality, so it comes in handy with editing audio for videos. This is my microphone and I use it for live streaming and I also use it for in-game chat, Zoom calls, you name it. And you guessed it, I'm using it right now. This is the Shure SM7B. It is a sexy, beautiful microphone, extra buttery. This is the type of microphone that you'll see a lot of podcasters use like Joe Rogan. Needless to say, it's one of the most important parts of my office. This is a rose quartz crystal and it's supposed to bring good fortune and endeavors to my office, which is why I keep it here on the north side. It's sitting on top of an audio interface and next to a cloud lifter, which are used for my microphone. Very difficult to explain, but basically we wouldn't have microphone signal without both of these pieces of equipment being on at the same time. This is my keyboard, specifically a mechanical gaming keyboard. It's by Razer and it has this removable wrist cushion, but I don't know why anybody would remove it because it's freaking awesome and it makes the keyboard unique. It's kind of the reason why I bought it. Also, it's pink, just like my headset. I'm a simp for baby pink, so it's perfect for me. It has purple switches and it makes the little clicky click sounds. This is my gaming mouse. It's by Razer as well. Damn it, Razer, sponsor me. It's got buttons on the side to help navigate and also bind little things for gaming. I love it as well because it can also become wireless, which is huge for me. I hate the tugging of the cord. It's lightweight and the battery lasts a long time. This awesome little gadget is similar to the Stream Deck in that each button and wheel can be bound to a function. This is a tour box and it's meant to be used for editing videos, Photoshop, etc. It's really useful because you can bind the hotkeys and you don't really have to take your hand off of it the entire time. Since I'm studying that in school and have a YouTube channel, I use it a lot. I enjoy listening to music or podcasts while I edit, so I use my Amazon Echo Show to play Spotify. It also helps me keep track of things like reminders and dedicating timers to specific tasks. It's there to keep me digitally organized. As a motion graphics designer and streamer, having more than one monitor helps with my visual real estate, so I opted in for 3. They're curved to please the eye, they're easy to work on, and they look great. By the way, I made that coffee and donut on my screensaver in a 3D modeling program. It's not real. I made it. Okay, I'll just go pat myself on the back now.
So usually while I'm working on my schoolwork or on a project like this, I have my main monitor as my workflow, and then I have a secondary monitor to just watch something on Netflix or IMDb TV or Hulu or something, just to kind of get my inspiration going. It's usually things that I've already seen before, so I won't be like really distracted, but I like having multiple monitors because it just gives you so many options and opportunities. I also usually have like Photoshop or Illustrator open on my left screen, and I just like move wherever I need to, which is why I like standing up, because it's just so easy to do that.
To free up desk space, I have this clamp that holds all 3 monitors. You can adjust the height of the entire arm that holds the monitors, or you can adjust the height and angle of each monitor. I was actually afraid that when the desk went up and down that it would topple over, but it's really sturdy, so thank goodness. I even lined the back with LED lights that can be controlled with my phone or Alexa.
If you're wondering where I get my filming done, it's right back here. I literally face everything from my desk over to my bed area.
Speaking of my bed area, my flower wall helps me feel better about staying inside 99% of the day. It's kind of a reminder about how beautiful outside can be. I made it with materials on Amazon, so none of it is real, but I do spray it with some rose spray just for the ambiance. It makes me feel better. It's a nice little touch. And while we're talking about walls, let's meet the other main character of my office, my geometric wall panels. These are insanely cool. Look at them. The way the LED lights bounce off of them is just magical. They're sturdy and easy to install, and did I mention iconic? They're definitely the star of the show.
And that concludes my home office tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to cop anything in this video, I will have all the links in the description below. So leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite part of my office is. Please make sure to drop a thick like for your girl. I really appreciate that. If you are brand new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit those post notifications so that you don't miss a thing. And welcome to the royal family. Shout out to my patrons over on Patreon. I love you guys. Keep up with me on social media. All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Until next time, bye.